So now question 4, we are looking at ecology. Part 4 says, figure 3 shows an example of an ecosystem. So you can see that we have different parts that are forming the ecosystem. So we've got the water, we've got the small fish, we've got the carnivorous, we've got the land, we've got the plants and sunlight. So those are part of the ecosystem in this diagram. And now the first question is on A, identify two non-living parts of the ecosystem. So non-living parts, okay. So the answer of that is land and water. So this is water as well as land. Then you're also looking at from the features of the ecosystem, name the type of ecosystem. Okay, so the type of an ecosystem. So you can see that there's fish in the water, and then also plants are growing there. So this is simply an aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic. So aquatic ecosystem. And then we also have followed by explain the role played by the following in the ecosystem. So the small fish. So what could be the function of a small fish here? Okay, so small fish. So the small fish, they are feeding on zooplanktons or recycling nutrients. Okay, they are recycling the nutrients. Okay, so that is what they are doing there. And then the carnivorous fish. So about the carnivorous fish, what are they doing there? So these look at predation. So they prey on smaller fish. Could also be invertebrates. And other carnivorous fish. Then this one says, how does the sunlight affect the distribution of plants in the ecosystem? So this is a D. So how does sunlight affect the distribution of ecosystem? So when you look at photosynthesis, okay. So plants are able to absorb the light, and hence carry out photosynthesis. which results into high distribution. Okay, so the photosynthesis, Then we are also looking at competition. So plants that do not receive light, so plants that do not receive light would result into their population being reduced. Okay, so plants that do not receive light would actually result into their population being reduced, and those that are undergoing photosynthesis, because obviously they are able to adapt and get enough light from the sunlight, will have actually more chances of actually even being distributed, because those will grow out, and then some even production pollution will occur because they have enough nutrients that they are receiving. So we go to the last question of our section A.